It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. How's it going, everybody? This is the David the Past Show. I'm here doing the fourth part of the SAT math videos, but I just want to recognize a great one of my best childhood figures I used to watch when I was younger, Mr. Fred Rogers. And yes, today is February 27th, 2013, and this was the day that he died. February 27th, 2003. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's February 27th, 2003 is when he passed away. I just want to take a moment to acknowledge him, how a great inspiration he was to me as I was, through my childhood, and pretty much most children out there. I grew up my age and around that time period, grew up watching Mr. Rogers in his neighborhood, and it was just a great figure that he just passed away. And Fred Rogers, remember him, Fred Rogers. But anyways, let's get to the SAT math problem that you will get on your SAT quiz. Here's one. It says here, if 3x plus y equals 19 and x plus 3y equals 1, find the value of x, 2x plus 2y. And here we have our choices, and this is how it's going to be arranged on the SATs. You're going to have A, B, C, and D, and our choices are 20, 18, 11, 10, and 5. So let's read the question one more time. 3x plus y equals 19 and x plus 3y equals 1. Find the value of 2x plus 2y. So remember what we're trying to find. The value of, much better. The value of, just bring over here, 2x plus 2, what am I doing? 2y. That is what we're trying to find the value of. Now we give it some values. Let's write them down. 3x plus y equals 19. And x plus 3y equals 1. Now we can use this, either do this in a couple of ways. Do what? System of solving by system of equations. And it's really easy to do this. We can either do this by substitution, elimination, or by graphing. But in this case, I want to try doing it by substitution, solving by substitution. And we do this by understanding this equation 1, and this is equation 2. And equation 2 is easiest to work with, so let's start with equation 2, which is x plus 3y equals 1. To eliminate x by itself, we just have x is equal to 1 minus negative 3y. And this is what our x value is. Now, bringing that down, we can use this as substitute for x. So 3 is equal to x minus 1 minus 3y. This is what our x value is for this case, x plus y is equal to 19. Alright. So let's, distribute over here 3 into 1, 3 into negative 3y, negative y plus y equals 19. Okay, like terms, 3 minus 8 y equals 19. So 19 minus 3 to get like terms. Okay, let's see how we're progressing. We're going to have negative 8 y equals 16. Okay, negative 8 divided on both sides. Y is then equal to negative 2. Alright, so if y is equal to negative 2, then we can plug in our y value here to find our x. So let's just come off to the side. X is equal to 1 minus 3 times negative 2, because that's what our x value was. Our y value was negative 2. So y is then equal to 1. When two negatives comes together, we have a positive 6, and x is then equal to 7. So notice that we have x is equal to 7 and y is equal to negative 2. Now that asks us a specific question. They said, what is the value of 2 times x plus 2 times y? Now it's just simple, just plug it in our x and y values. So come up here to the side. So if x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2, then 2 times 7 plus 2 times, this is negative 2, times 2 times negative 2, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times negative 2, negative 4, negative 4 plus 14, 10. So 10 will be my answer to this equation, or this expression rather. 10. So in revision, all I did here was just use our simple method of solving by substitution, by looking at these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2, and using equation number 1 as a substitute to find the value of x, and I plug in the value of x for the value of y by just substituting x for x, and it's just algebra all the way. And these kind of questions are really tricky, that if you don't really have your algebra skills, you will kind of trip up. But it's just plug and chug. Once you find the value of x and y, when you know how to work with algebra and when you know how to solve for equations. And our values for this equation was x is 7 and y is negative 2. And once you plug those two in for 2x and 2y, we found that is equal to 10. Or our 10 is our answer, not equal. Because expressions, we don't equal, we just find the lowest terms. So 10 is our answer in this case. 10. Anyways, that's the end of this video. If you do not understand, or if you need more information or need more help, please let me know. Leave a comment, subscribe, like if you like. Please subscribe. It will help me, help you, help everybody. And just a little bit of remembrance of Mr. Fred Rogers. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day in this neighborhood. I can't sing, guys. Anyways, Fred Rogers. It's great to just remembering about him. This is David the Pass on February 27, 2013. Please subscribe, like if you like, and I'll see you guys next time.